The Waterfall Braid. Prep the hair to a final texture and find a suitable parting. Create a medium-sized curved section. This will be the hair that passes through the braid. Create an anchor with a 3-strand braid. Take a section from the top and pass this through the 3-strand braid. This section is not incorporated into the braid. Next, take a small strand from the hair underneath the braid. Add this to the braid to keep it secure. The braid should start to look like this once the movement is complete. Keep the tension by pulling down the top sections, making sure the braid is clean. The braid will start to look like this. Secure the braid at the back with a clear band. Hide any loose ends by pinning them underneath for a seamless look. And here is the finished look.